Keep going. There's a break in the track up ahead. Let's fix the track. You're awesome! Let's keep going. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods. We have arrived at the freight station. Let's load the goods onto the train. You're awesome! Let's keep going. Cargo handling mission accomplished. Let's head for the next station. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get on the train. We have arrived at the passenger station. Let's help the passengers get off the train.
Hi!
Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, baby bus, little train. Stamp the train ticket. Here is my suitcase. Bye, baby bus, little train. Hi, here is my train ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken. Hammer. Lighter. Thank you. Here's my ticket. Prohibited items cannot be taken. Hammer. Scissors. Thank you. The passengers are